drops on your skin. Your eyes slow burning lanterns, pulling every ghost light in. When I write our story sideways on a drift of drifting snow, I taste salt on your quiet where the wild currents go. Moonlight over frozen waves, you touch my hand. The ocean obeys, every shadow leans our way. In the stillness, in the stillness, your heartbeat under all this white, like a secret in the tide at night. Let the cold world fall away. In the stillness, we stay. Are we dream or are we waking? Skin to sky, the line is thin. Every breath is slow unfurling. Pull me under, pull me in. If the dawn comes, let it wonder where we slip between the days. Two silhouettes in pale surrender, disappearing into haze. Moonlight over frozen waves, you touch my hand. The ocean obeys, every shadow leans our way. In the still